Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting permission, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Microphone. Tap WhatsApp and switch the microphone on. This lets the app capture audio at the system level. Once done, make sure WhatsApp was closed before you reopen it, otherwise the change may not apply immediately. You're doing this now so the app can record voice notes and calls. If you use screen time limits, check those before continuing, because restrictions can block mic access, even with permissions enabled. Once permissions are set, open WhatsApp and navigate to a chat to test. Tap the microphone button and record a 5 to 10 second voice note. Listen back to confirm clarity. If WhatsApp prompts for mic access again, accept it. That second confirmation ties the permission to your account session. Make sure Do Not Disturb, Bluetooth, or an external accessory isn't hijacking the mic. If you use headphones, test both with and without them so you know which input is active. To finish, reboot the iPhone. A restart resolves session-level lockups and ensures the mic permission takes effect. If the problem persists, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone right arrow reset location and Privacy and re-grant WhatsApp access. This resets stuck permission states. Also make sure iOS and WhatsApp are updated, because compatibility bugs can block audio. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.